share my own church. You know, I have a poem to share with you, as said, that I wrote with two things in mind: parents and children. This poem is for parents and children. Reflecting on my days here as a child growing up in the Adventist church, the Morant Adventist church, I am glad and grateful and truly thankful that I was afforded every opportunity, every chance to shine in what came naturally to me. I am thankful to people like Sister Bridget Thompson, Sister Nadine Smith, Sister Dean O'Connor, to mention a few. I'm thankful to Sister McDermott and Brother McDermott themselves, who all carried me and had me under their wings and made sure that above all things Sean was okay and that Sean felt accepted and loved.
Amen.
And I would just hope today that the church will continue, as I think I do see this morning, in the rich tradition of enabling our children positively. The input that we as older boys and girls, parents, aunties, uncles, have in their lives is to produce good fruit. So may we all, with that in mind, may we all, with that in mind, nurture, succor, embrace our children. I am a product today of the love and the care that was afforded me by the elders and the other members of the Morant Adventist Church, as well as the wider community. And I'm truly thankful for you children. This morning I pray that you will listen. This poem is entitled A Parent's Wish. And I know that as I read, it will resound, because every good parent wants all that I will say today for his or her child or children. So may you prosper. May you as children grow up in the nurture and admonition of the Lord. May you become good men and women of tomorrow that will lead our nation and our church and the kingdom of God with parity, with dignity, with integrity, and with the tender love that has been afforded us by God the Father himself. Amen. Parents' wish. May love wrap its warm embrace around your heart and never die. Sweet dreams spring to life for you and show you you were born to fly. May joy greet you each new day and smile upon your day of pain, and peace amid the tempest rise like the sun in spite of rain. Make a cherished friend of grief and let him teach you of life's worth. And as you should love your own, love and hallowed Mother Earth. I wish you laughter and a heart that's light, though there be cause for tears. Let courage be the antidote for all your looming, threatening fears. May failures never daunt your steps, but spur you on to always try. And sadness never consume you when you have to say goodbye. Learn patience, for your time will come to shine, though hell will veil your light. Let self-possession hold your heart when you face the bitter fight. May faith be richly found in you when darkened is the path you tread, and obfuscated is the long and windy road that lies ahead. Be tender, though this world dictates that roughness somehow makes the man, for tenderness will be returned to you when shown as best you can. Wisdom to make the best choices when they are strewn upon life's beach. Humility when success and fame are placed within your way to reach. May kindness fill your heart for those this world has dealt a bitter hand. Use wisely time as it ticks on and yields its telling wasting sands. May your life be fully lived when death comes knocking at your door, and be found worthy of God's name when